What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can funnel email addresses from your Facebook group straight into your CRM. And in this video, we're going to use Coach Marketing Hub as an example as a CRM, but you can do this with every kind of CRM you're using. And if you're ready to replace all of your online tools, and I mean all of your online tools, with only one platform, then there is a link in the description below for you to check out Coach Marketing Hub, get your 2 weeks free trial, and get rid of Thinkific, Kajabi, ConvertKit, MailChimp, Calendly, WordPress, Hootsuite, Later.com, you name it. Coach Marketing Hub replaces all of these subscriptions so you can save a ton of money and a ton of tech headache because you only have to learn one platform instead of all of the other ones. And now, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so this is my Facebook group. If you go into the Facebook group main page under member requests, you will always see the people who requested access to become a member of your Facebook group, right? So for example, here's 2 people, which is a great example. This one person hasn't left any data yet. So I will just wait, scroll up and down a little bit before I approve or decline her, because this way Facebook will send her a reminder that the group admin, in this case me, would like to ask a few questions before she enters the Facebook group. Okay, so they get then a notification reminder. So we just wait. And then this person, great example, she wants to join the Facebook group. She has replied to my questions, which is great. She doesn't look like a competitor and she doesn't look like a snitch either. Okay, so then we want to let her in. So you will notice this button here. I have this button because I haven't installed this extension which I use, and if I press this button once, this whole data will be put into my Coach Marketing Hub account. Okay, so everything, guys, everything you can automate with software, you should not be doing, or your VA should not be doing. Okay, so we want to automate as much as possible, and this is a really great way. Okay, so we will start with connecting your Facebook group. So you can find the link to this tool below, which is called Group Collector. I've been using it since forever, which is really, really great. So that's how Group Collector looks like. If you click the button below, you can sign up. And yeah, you would just need to add a new group, right? So let's just do that. For demonstration purposes, I'll take this one. This is one of my groups. So you can see. So the group name is Sold Out Programs. Then the group URL is that. Again, create group, right? So now we have the group connected here. Then we scroll to the right, and we want to add the autoresponder. Okay. So here we want to hit add, and then we want to select high level. Okay, and then it gives us the question for the API key. You go into your Coach Marketing Hub account, you scroll down to settings, okay, and you will see your company profile here. You scroll down and take the API key here, you copy it, you click on the tag, means copy. Okay, you go back here and you paste it here. Then the tag name. How do you want these people to be tagged within Coach Marketing Hub? You need to make sure that you have created the tag already, which I would suggest you just name it Facebook group. You go under settings, then tags, and then create a new tag, and then you would just write Facebook group. I'm not going to do that right now because I already have that. Okay, so you can see here, I hit group here. Okay, so that is my Facebook group. So I would then just name the tag like that and then verify and update. Okay, so that's it. The autoresponder has been added successfully. Now, just in case you want to add an Excel sheet, which I would recommend, right? I'm going to teach you this in the next video, which means all the data from the Facebook group goes into the Excel sheet as well as into Coach Marketing Hub. Okay, so just as a backup, so you can see the questions and things like that. Okay, so we have just connected the Solar Programs group. Okay, you scroll to the right, and then under the Google Sheet, you just hit add. Then you click here to make a copy of the Group Collector sheet. Okay. They have already created that, and as it says, please copy it, do not request access. We just go back to the instruction to show you this also. Do not rename sheet 1 to anything else, and do not hide column A in the Google Sheet. Just simply follow the basic instructions. Do what they say, don't do what they don't say, okay? So under, this is the sheet, okay? How are you going to make a copy? Please copy it. You just go into File, really easy, make a copy, demo, SOP group video, okay? Make a copy, it creates a copy for you. You can close the original one, and then there we go, okay? So now that is your sheet. And then Google Sheet URL, okay? So you need to go back, take that URL here, the top, copy it, and paste it into this sheet, and update sheet and authenticate Google account, okay? So you just want to click that. You would need to log into your Gmail account, and you would need to allow them to write over your data, which is fine. And ta-da, then we have connected that Excel sheet, right? Which is this one. Now, every time someone joins the Facebook group and you hit this button, the GC Approve button, then their name and their email address and all of this data will be collected here, okay? The group name, the group URL, the user ID, their name, when they joined Facebook, question 1, answer 1, question 2, answer 2, and so on, okay? Mutual friends, all of this kind of data. All right, so you can also go, what I would encourage you to do is just like bookmark this sheet, so you can have quick access once you should need it, okay? So let's just demonstrate this, that you can see that it really works. So Susanna, let's add her to the Facebook group. Usually I would then start a conversation and have a chat and say, hey, just added you to the Facebook group, things like that, right? But because I already had a conversation going with her, I'm not going to do that. I'm waiting for a reply from her, right? I will just let her in anyway, okay? So I'll just click the GC Approve button, okay, right now, and see complete. Now it will take a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds to a minute, until it arrives everywhere. It should arrive in two places. One is the Excel sheet and one is our Coach Marketing Hub, okay? So let's just refresh that here, and then let's refresh that as well. Okay, great. So now Susanna is here in the Group Collector Excel sheet, which is amazing. And then you can see the most valuable data here, her email address. Now, let's check Coach Marketing Hub. She's not going to be on top of here because she's not a new lead. If she would be a new lead, she would be under contacts in the first spot. But she has already bought something from me before, so she is in there, right? So let's search for her email address here, and you can see here under tags, Facebook group has been added to her account as well, and therefore she will now receive an email, a workflow, which says, hey, welcome to my Facebook group. Here is, here are videos under the guide section and things like that, which you're going to learn in another video. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and maybe even share this video with somebody who could benefit from it. I will see you in the next video.